Oh, what do we have here? Oh, hello. Oh, baby girl. Well, that's good. Well, we'll have to get you put away, huh? Hey, good morning everybody. This is Organic Dairyman, and today is, what is today? Tuesday the 23rd, and yeah, how is everybody today? I hope you're enjoying a good day or had a good day. Maybe you're relaxing, you got off work, you're enjoying your evening, I don't know. But I'm just getting to work. I'm starting. Yeah, you see you got the cows in, and as you saw too, we had a newborn calf. And it was a heifer, so that's good. And yeah, so I'm starting chores out by myself here right now this morning, because obviously I mentioned in yesterday's video that my brother, he had to go down to Danvers, Minnesota. It's a little town kind of south of south of Benson, Minnesota, if you know where Benson, Minnesota is. But yeah, so he had to go there, and I'm going to set you guys right up here. He had to go there and pick up that bearing from a guy that drove from Wilmer, Minnesota. So to bring it there in the halfway point, to get that bearing for that the rotor bearing for the bagger. So that's what my brother is doing. He should be coming back here. I don't know, should be back here by 11. I think sometime. So I'm getting started here with things. I'm running just a little bit behind schedule here this morning. But yeah, we got another busy day ahead of us. I forgot to mention in yesterday's video that we also today we have to go to town and take care of some business here this afternoon. One of the things we got to do is go to the USDA office and get our acres certified. That's usually something you got to do every year, because if you don't get your acres certified, you won't qualify for any crop payments. So we're hoping that they're going to do that market affiliation program thing again this year. So obviously, like I said before, I'm not really a believer in taking that money, but we need the money, so we're going to take it, swallow our pride and take it, because it's more important to take that money and keep your farm going than not take the money and not have your farm around, and keep your farm going. And it's nice to have the money. Let's just put it that way. It helps out. Even if it's $100, the $100 that I didn't have the day before, it helps out. It's supposed to help the farm economy. It's an economic stimulus package for the farmer, is what it is. So yeah, the farm income is down these days. If anybody hasn't noticed, yeah, the farm economy isn't doing so hot right now, but that's that. So that's what we're going to do here today. I hope I'm going to get just working on that pile, or get that site ready up there on top of the hill. So we'll see how the day goes. We'll see what happens, and hopefully everything goes good today and we get everything done we want to get done. We just want to get ready for second cutting hay, because that's going to be coming up here. You know, I don't think we're going to start this week, but next week we're probably going to go full bore at that. And I haven't heard if they're going to bring the TG210 back yet today. They haven't called. We're supposed to call They're supposed to call when they bring it back, but they should bring it back this week if the extra parts came. So just keep an eye out on Instagram or Twitter or whatever. So if you see something on there, I'll probably post a picture on there when we get it back. So make sure to follow me on Instagram or Twitter. That way you find out the quickest, latest news with that. So anyway, I gotta keep going here with things and get started milking, and my brother should be back here in a little while, and we'll see how the day goes. Okay, obviously as you can see we're all done with the milk and chores, and I'm working at the feeding chores here, and I just want to kind of give a quick little update of some other things that have transpired, and I probably am not gonna have time to get that done today up there. It just isn't gonna work out to get that site prepped for the second cutting hay. I guess I'm gonna have to, when I get all done with going to town and well, doing that stuff, get done with the feeding here, going to town, get done with that stuff, I'm gonna have to go over to my, let me sit you back here. I'm gonna have to go over to my cousin's place and I guess work on the bagger over there. Originally we were gonna bring it over here, but my cousin, I thought that he was gonna be down with the bagger, but I guess he wants to do another bag. At least that's what I think he wants to do. And so we're just gonna work on it over there. So I have to go over there and help work on the bagger, or take that bearing out. It's the bearing that's out is on the side where the drive sprocket is, so it's going to make it a little more challenging to work on that bagger. So that's what I'm going to do when I get back from town. Later this afternoon I'll probably get back, I don't know, gosh, maybe 4:30, quarter to 5 or something, should be back home. So I got to go over there, and anyways, what the deal is too, the guy that owns the bagger, that we're renting the bagger from, he said just keep track of your time, and basically what he'll do is he'll pay us, well, he'll subtract our time off the rent, so he'll take some money off next time we use the bagger. So that's kind of nice that he'll do that. So originally, we were going to have him fix it down at laying egg system in Wilmer, but they're kind of busy themselves, and the guy that's down there, the guy that's there, he wouldn't be able to fix on it until Thursday, so we're just going to have to bite the bullet and do it ourselves. It isn't going to be hopefully terribly hard, but anyways, that's what's transpiring. So I got to keep working here at the feeding, and then I guess over there later today working that. So I guess I ain't going to get everything done I want to get done here today. But I guess sometimes that's just the way the cookie crumbles. It's just the way you got to deal with things. So, see how things go. Yeah. Time to get my hair cut. I gotta go over here to the salon and get my hair cut quick. Well, I just got back from town. I don't know, maybe 45 minutes ago. I had to grab a bite to eat here. And while we were gone, look what showed up. Yeah, they brought the TG210 back. And they even power washed it too. How about that? They cleaned it all up. Yep. So they got the kit put on here. They got it replaced. So now, this crankcase ventilator tube, it comes out the top of the cover. Yeah. So, yeah. They fixed it. Yep, there it is. Right where my finger is, if you can see that right there. That's where they put it. There's a cover that was on there, and they put a special kit for that cover. So, yeah. So now, this thing should leak out of gobs of engine oil. So, yeah. So anyways, we got that back, and I'm just getting ready to go over to my cousin's place here to go work on that bagger, to help work on the bagger. I'm just trying to get everything lined up. I'm gonna take some stuff over there. Gotta bring the torch over there because their torch isn't working, just in case we need it. And I gotta bring all this stuff. Well, just this, that, and that stuff. Well, not that. I don't need this, but yeah. But this is the bearing. Ah, gosh. This little sucker is heavy. I bet you this thing weighs 40 pounds. Probably says in the box what it weighs. But, yeah. That's the big old brute bearing. Yeah. That's a big beast. Yep. So, I gotta bring this all over there. And, I know, it'd be easier if I just brought it over here, because I got all my stuff. I gotta haul some of my stuff over there. I guess it's only a mile away and ain't that bad. So I gotta quick finish up a little feeding here, and so I can load the feeder wagon for the cows, and I gotta go over there and do that. But hey, at least the tractor's back. We missed it, but at least it's fixed. Okay, everybody, I'm finally headed over to my cousin's place. It just takes a little bit to get everything lined up. So, I got the torch all tied up in the loader bucket so that it does not fall over. And we got the oxygen tank. We got a refilled oxygen tank, so there's like 2,000 some PSI in that tank, and that brass valve on the head, or that brass shutoff valve, breaks off. You got yourself a missile. You got to make sure that that thing is secured in the loader bucket. I guess, I know, I'm a nice guy. I'm driving all the way over there to do that. I guess. It's not that big video, it's not that far. I guess we're family, so we help each other back and forth sometimes, so that's the way it works. So hopefully they were gonna start at it, or start working at it, so obviously there's some stuff that they need. There's a sprocket that's gotta come off, so to get to that big bearing I showed you. So anyways, I'll try to get a video over there. I'll try to maybe just do a time-lapse video, so that's probably all you'll see over there. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it's not gonna go too bad, so the guy that owns the bagger, he gave us a couple pointers on how to do it, so hopefully those pointers work. So fingers crossed everything goes good. That thing is pretty heavy. Okay, everybody. As you can see, I just shut the loader tractor off, and obviously, yeah, I'm back home from my cousin's place. We got we got it all done, so it wasn't as bad as we thought it was gonna be. So, yeah. So my cousin, he's gonna start bagging some more hay tomorrow with it. So that's why he wanted to get it done. So, yeah. So I'm glad that job is done because it needed to get fixed because we got to use it too. Next week we're probably going to start in with second cutting hay. So, yeah. So, yeah. And the TG210 is back. So that's good. So, yeah. And what else here? Oh, with I got to do something with that air conditioning unit yet on the 4240 yet. I know I went to Napa to price the compressor there, and I don't know, they want, I think, $447 for one there for a remanufactured compressor. So, and John Deere about the same. And you get a dryer for $48, so I don't know. So I don't know if you could get one really at O'Reilly Auto Parts. The closest O'Reilly Auto Parts here is about 50 miles away. So yeah, so I don't know what to say if a guy should really go to the O'Reilly Auto Parts and get one or not. I don't know. That's what somebody said you could get one there for $150. I was like, I don't know. I don't know if that's really what they're worth. But like I said, Napa, you can get one for about $447. And John Deere is about the same. So, yeah. We'll see. We'll see what I'll do here for sure. But I don't know. I might just end up getting it at John Deere. I'll see what happens. But anyway, I got to get going here with chores. Well, my brother, he's milking right now. I got to finish loading up the feeder wagon for the milk cows yet here. And so hopefully, or tomorrow, let's see, we got to take a call cow to the sales barn. We're not going to sell it organically. We're just going to take it to the sales barn in Watertown. Well, my cousins, they got some call cows that got to go. And so... yeah, we got to do that, and yeah. So I'm just watching the International Space Station fly overhead. I just see it out the shed doors here. I can see it flying overhead. I always know. I know what that thing is. I see it all See it almost, well, not quite every night, but anyways, yeah, so let's see what goes down tomorrow. My brother, he's going to take up some cows. Like I said, my cousins have some to go to, so he's going to take them all up. So I'll probably have to be milking alone in the morning, and hopefully we'll get that site prepped for the second cutting for the bags and everything. So other than that, I can't think of anything else right now. So I got to get going. So yeah, it was a good day, I guess. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. So anyways, please like this video or give it a big thumbs up if you like it. Check me out on Instagram and Twitter at Organic Dairyman. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And a big thank you to everybody that has hit that subscribe button. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. And please share this video with a friend and family member. And please check out all my other videos. So, and anyways, with that, take care, and hope you have a good night, and I'll catch you later.